Let's make some super cute jute watermelon coasters. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I had gotten all of these ornaments from that insane deal store. There was like 99 cents for all of these. So I just pick out 4. I have some thick macrame jute, and I also have an adhesive back cork. I'm going to trace out my little ornament onto our adhesive back cork and cut out 4 of them because we have 4 coasters. I'm going to take the backer off, and then I'm going to put my my ornament on that adhesive back cork. Done. Now we're going to take our jute and I'm going to wrap it into a little bit of a spiral with my hands, and then I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to put a dot of it in the center of the ornament. Ta-da! And then we're going to put our little spiral that we just made on that. And then I just really press it down just so that it's really adhered and it's not bubbled up. Then all we're going to do is just keep putting hot glue all the way around and wrapping it on that. Easy, easy, super easy. And then again, you'll see me moving my finger, like really pressing it just to make sure that it's nice and flat. You don't want any bubbles or, you don't want a big lump so that your cup doesn't sit right. Do that all the way around. And then when you get to the very end, I'm going to put some more hot glue on the end, but I'm kind of like making it so that it goes on the edge so it covers both of your adhesive back cork and your ornament, if that makes sense. Then you just cut the edge and then glue down that little edge. Here we have all 4. Now we're going to use some multi-surface paint. I'm using black. This is the color rosemary or rosemary. This is crisp green, and then just some basic white. Again, it's multi-surface, so it's going to be fine if your cup is condensation on it. And then I'm using a makeup brush from Dollar Tree, but you could use any firm brush. And all I'm doing is taking my paint and really rubbing it into the fibers. And you make the pink as big or as little as you want. I went a little bit out with it because I wanted it pink. And then I'm just going to do a line around the pink with white. And I'm actually fanning that white into the pink, kind of ombreing it so that it kind of blends into the pink. Does that make sense? Go all the way around. Do as much or as little as you want. You don't even have to do that part if you don't want to. Then once I get that done, then I'm going to go and do green around the edges. But you'll see here, I'm using a firmer brush so that I can really get into the fibers. That's kind of I didn't want the paint to just be sitting on top. I wanted it to actually be part of the jute. So there we go. And then here we have the green, and I'm doing the same process, just going all the way around and making sure that I get into the fibers and I'm ombreing it into the white. Again, you don't have to be fussy about this. That's what I love about jute and country crafts. You don't have to be fussy. It's okay. It's very forgiving. Then I was going to do a circle, but you know what? I figured out a way to do ovals is to do a popsicle stick. And I just dip it into my black and then put it on, and look, they look like seeds. Then, of course, I'm watching this and I'm like, wait, this makes me think of apples. Well, stay tuned for that. We'll do apples later, but look at how cute. And then, as you know, we made a little wagon for them the other day. So we have a little wagon for our little coasters. How much fun are these? These make me happy. This is the one way I love me some watermelon. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.